Number 7. Kolcraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Stroller. All mama's favorite full-size stroller, features in a compact, travel-friendly lightweight stroller. Cozy seat, ample storage, large canopy. Perfect for traveling and day trips. With a compact fold and lightweight design, only 11.8 pounds. Convenient one-hand and self-standing fold. Large, easy-access storage basket. Holds all baby's necessities. Multi-position reclining seat, keeps child comfortable. Accommodates child to 50-pound 3-tier, extended canopy for maximum sun coverage, and peekaboo window. Parent tray with 2 drink holders, an extra storage area. Removable child tray with dual cup, and juice box holder. All-terrain wheels, and front suspension for a smooth ride. Adjustable 5-point safety harness. UPPAbaby certified. 1-year manufacturer warranty. The Kolcraft Cloud Plus lightweight stroller can be used when the child has full head and neck control and can sit up unassisted.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 6. Jovial Portable Folding Baby Stroller. Lightweight, compact and foldable, for travel. Portable stroller for travel. Designed with traveling families in mind, this lightweight folding stroller is conveniently compact enough, when folded, to be stored in your trunk or stowed away on an airplane. Upgraded brake lock system. We've incorporated an enhanced locking system, allowing you to gain full control over the folding stroller when strolling the park, shopping at a mall, or wandering around a festival. Adjustable seat to sit or lay. Unlike your typical travel stroller system, this compact folding stroller features an adjustable seat that can be securely propped up for sitting or laid flat to use. It is a bassinet-style, pusher, retractable stroller canopy. Easily glide the sun visor canopy back and forth to adjust the amount of sunlight your infant gets when on walks through the park, jogs through the neighborhood, and so on. Approved by busy moms and dads, since it's lightweight, compact and easy to use. Parents give our baby travel stroller high marks. It's the perfect folding stroller for travel with newborn babies to 3 years old. Number 5. Pockit Lightweight Stroller. World's smallest folding stroller, with its innovative 2-step folding design, the Pockit is the 2014 Guinness World Records most compact stroller, folding down to 11.8 by 7 by 13.8 and a weight of 9.5 pounds. Small but strong, built using high-quality, durable materials, the Pockit can hold a child from 6 months up to 55 pounds, as well as 11 pounds of gear in its convenient storage basket. Perfect for day trips or extended travel, for families with a passion for local or overseas travel and exploring. Pockit is a quintessential choice, as it stows away easily in any plane or train overhead bin, or just stowing away in the car. Secure, adjustable harness system. The Pockit is equipped with a secure safety belt and protective comfort pads that can be set at different height and fastened or loosened for a cozy and secure fit, allowing the stroller to grow with your child. Other valuable features: easy one-hand pushing and steering, sliding back panel with adjustable torso length, lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame, lockable front swivel wheels, overhead canopy, rear wheel parking brake, and padded handlebars. Number 4. Mountain Buggy Nano Stroller. Never underestimate the power of curb pop. Cleverly engineered with perfect weight distribution for optimized performance, Nano Stroller's ultra-lightweight handling allows you to pop the front wheels up for curb hopping on your travels. Equipped with an onboard car seat adapter, Nano converts to a travel system, accommodating any infant car seat. With the belt-style adapters, travel easy with your newborn baby in their car seat and Nano car seat not included. With the press of 2 buttons, Nano simply drops in 2 stages. Let the sunhood drop behind you, then grip the sunhood and middle frame. Gripping the frame, fold Nano down so that the frame automatically locks. At only 13 pounds, lighter than plenty of handbags, Nano is free to go wherever you please. Nano comes with its own custom-fit carry satchel with an exposed handle or pull through the shoulder strap for easy carry-on. At Mountain Buggy, it's not just about launching new products, it's about improving what we already offer. We've answered your call for new features while staying true to the features so many parents loved about the original Nano travel stroller from Mountain Buggy. Number 3. Besrey Airplane Stroller, one-step design for opening and folding. Lightweight baby stroller for infant convertible baby carriage. Ideal choice for daily using or extend travel for families with a passion for local or overseas travel and exploring. It is a perfect priority as it stows away easily in any plane or train overhead bin, or just stowing away in the car. Besrey Capsule Baby Stroller, which is small but strong, built using high-quality, durable materials. The capsule stroller can hold a child from 6 months up to 36 months. Besrey's smallest folding stroller, with its innovative 2-step folding design, the stroller folding down to 22 inches by 12 inches by 11 inches and a weight of 10.8 pounds. Secure, adjustable harness system. Besrey Capsule Baby Stroller, equipped with a secure 5-point safety belt and protective comfort pads that can be set at different height and fastened or loosened for a cozy and secure fit, allowing the stroller to grow with your child. Other valuable features: easy one-hand pushing and steering, lightweight yet sturdy aluminum frame, pedal brake, overhead canopy. Number 2. UPPAbaby G-LUXE Stroller. Say hello to lightness without saying goodbye to functionality. Comfortable and agile, the G-LUXE is feature-packed yet nothing has to weigh you down. Life moves fast, and the G-LUXE moves with you. Featuring our new one-action brake and lightweight aluminum frame with new robust profile. Whether running errands or catching the sights during nap time, your child can sleep comfortably in our one-handed reclining seat with adjustable footrest. Our hand-level triggers make it easy to fold the G-LUXE with just your fingers. No foot action required. Once folded, it stands on its own. Great for storing out of the way. The convenient carry strap allows for easy transport, or pop-out sunshade extends to shield your child from harmful UV rays, allowing you and your child to enjoy the sunniest of days together. The G-LUXE fabric and seat pad are removable and machine washable. We understand that spills happen. To make life easier, your stroller is still usable while your seat pad is in the wash. The ergonomic G-LUXE handles ensure a comfortable ride for parents of all heights. The G-LUXE has high-performance 5.75 inches wheels. Whether boarding subways or maneuvering off curbs, with one simple click, your stroller is brought to a safe stop. Number 1. Summer Infant 3D Lite Convenience Stroller. The 3D Lite Convenience Stroller is a durable stroller that has a lightweight and stylish aluminum frame and is one of the lightest and most feature-rich convenience strollers on the market. With an easy-to-fold frame and carry strap, you can be on the go or stow and go with ease. The 3D Lite has an all-aluminum frame, which means it's super lightweight, yet incredibly durable. Weighing 13 pounds, it is one of the lightest strollers on the market. It has a compact Easy 3-step fold. 1. Lift the rear handle. 2. Push the lever with your foot. 3. Fold down and go. With an auto lock and carry strap, it is ideal for carrying on the subway or through the airport. 3D Lite has an open design, and the easy-to-recline seat lays nearly flat, which is ideal for napping and on-the-go diaper changes. The 5-point safety harness easily adjusts to 3 height positions as your child grows, and with the additional padding, your baby will always have a comfortable ride. The extra-large storage basket is ideal for holding oversized diaper bags and purses, and the rear storage pocket is perfect for keys and cell phones. With an included cup holder, you will always have a place for your beverage or baby bottle. The large, adjustable canopy will block your baby's sensitive skin from harmful rays. In addition, the pop-out sun visor provides even more protection on extra sunny days.